Hey guys, today talk about this earphone. This one is the original earphone many years ago, 3.5 mm. Okay, you see here, I got many because I have iPhone 4, iPhone 4S, iPhone 5, iPhone 5S, then iPhone SE, iPhone SE 2020, iPhone 10s Max, iPhone 11, iPhone 12. Yeah, so this one is the old model, but it's actually very useful. You can use for laptop, any devices still use this 3.5 mm. So although now I seldom use for iPhone because iPhone use this with a Lightning. Okay, everything same with the Lightning. Lightning. Because for the safety features, in the past they give you 3.5 mm and the charging cable Lightning. Okay, but now due to the some people charging, some people like to charging and listen to music, so got the accident, so pass away. So today for the iPhone, they only have this. You can see only this Lightning, meaning if you're charging, then you cannot plug in this. Okay, so there is a pro and con, always pro and con. Okay, so but for wireless, sometimes better. You can see messy. You can see already. So wireless sometimes better. Take out, just connect to Bluetooth, easier. Okay, so no matter this 3.5 mm or even this, okay, Lightning, or even this wireless. So as long as you want to listen to music, listen to YouTube, anything. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.